Hello everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'll show you how to get more storage on Android quickly and easily. If your phone is running low on space and you want to free up storage, now let's get started. Method 1, Step 1, open your Settings app. This is where all your device management options are located. Step 2, tap on Storage or Device Care, depending on your phone model. This section gives you a breakdown of used and available space. Step 3, choose Clean Up. This scans your phone for unnecessary files and junk that can be safely removed. Step 4, tap Clean Again and wait for the process to finish. This will instantly free up storage on your device. Method 2. Step 1, go back to the Settings main menu. This allows you to access app-specific storage settings. Step 2, tap App Management. This shows all the apps installed on your device. Step 3, tap on App List. This lets you see each app individually. Step 4, select an app, for example Chrome, then tap on Storage and Cache. This shows how much space the app and its cache are using. Step 5, tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files and gives your device more space. Step 6, repeat the process for other apps in the list. This ensures maximum storage optimization. Method 3, Step 1, go back to the app list. This is where you can uninstall apps you no longer need. Step 2, tap on apps that you no longer use to uninstall them. Removing unused apps also frees up significant storage. Step 3, tap Uninstall. This begins the removal process. Step 4, tap OK to confirm uninstalling. Your device will reclaim the space used by that app. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more simple Android tips and tricks.